The lunge is a fundamental movement pattern for athletes and non-athletes alike. We're going to go through ways to test your strength in this movement. Now, obviously, there are many different ways you can load a lunge, but for the purposes of this test and the functional strength standard, I recommend doing a contralateral load. In other words, on the side of the leg stepping back, you will hold one dumbbell. Now, there's a few reasons why I prefer this. One is it requires greater activation of the glute medius on the front leg, and the other is that it really challenges frontal plane stability of the trunk, which is very important for any athlete or any person in general. So my friend Chris here is going to come demonstrate the proper technique. So he's holding the dumbbell on his right side. Come forward just a little bit, okay? He's going to step back, keep his trunk as vertical as possible as he goes down, and go down until the knee touches the ground. Now, the knee joint of the front working leg should be 90 degrees when the back knee is on the ground. That's how you'll know you're in the proper position. The second thing is you're going to work up to a 3-rep maximum, okay? And that's going to equate to 90% of your actual 1-rep max. So the functional strength standard for this exercise is 40% of body weight 1 RM. And that's the same for males and females. So in other words, a 200-pound person should be able to do 1 rep with an 80-pound dumbbell. But again, you'll use the 3 RM calculation instead and do the conversion to see how you measure up.